What to know before getting into the stock market. Many people have the dream of investing in the stock market. They constantly think about buying and selling stock, while watching the fluctuations of the market. Does this sound appealing to you? If so, then you're in luck. If you would like to start investing, then read on for some useful tips that will help you begin. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. Investing should not be considered a hobby. It's a very competitive business, so you should treat it as such. You must understand your own profit and loss as well as those companies making those investments. Keeping this in mind can make the thought process and strategy creation for investing much easier. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. Use rating systems cautiously in a bear market. These rating systems may be untrustworthy during this time, and you could wind up losing a lot of money if you rely solely on them. Instead of using them as a guide, use them as a means of secondary information and factor the rating into your decisions with a grain of salt. Now that you have the tips from this video, you can make your dream of investing a reality. You can join in on all the stock market action that others have experienced for years. Just remember these tips when you begin your stock market journey and you will be in investment heaven. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.